Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. And what are the things that you have to take care of that I tell you every day, repeatedly? The things we'll discuss again. The first thing is that you have to wear your mask. Whenever you go out of the house, please do not go outside without wearing mask. Also see that you carry a small sanitizer bottle with you if possible. Otherwise, whenever you come back, immediately wash your hands for minimum 30 seconds. Maximum you can wash for 1 minute with a soap so that all the germs will die. The first thing you have to do is washing your hands whenever you come back home. Before and after eating, you have to wash your hands and keep your surroundings neat and clean. Also, I want to tell you that please take care of the animals near your house. In the street, whichever animals you see, please don't hurt them. They are also living beings like us. Give them food if possible, but do not beat them. Take care of the animals. They also need love and care. So, this video is for class 2, subject science. The thought for today is, if you want to be more powerful in life, educate yourself. It is that simple. So, the meaning of this thought is that you have to get education, you have to get knowledge every day. Like you are watching the videos of different subjects each and every day. So, you are getting knowledge of that subject. For example, science, English, maths. How will you get educated? You will watch these videos. You have to gain knowledge from these videos, and that is how you will educate yourself, and then you can achieve something in your life. So education is very powerful weapon. You can use it anytime. Please watch the videos regularly. The topics that we have covered in today's video, which we are going to cover, chapter 4, wild animals. We have completed this lesson, but today we shall solve the question bank of the lesson. I have brought some extra practice questions for all of you from the chapter, which are new questions. We have never done these questions before. So let us solve the question bank, but before that we will just have the recap of that summary of the lesson, wild animals. So in chapter 4, wild animals, let us do the quick revision with the help of keywords and summary. We have seen wild animals. Animals that live in forests are wild animals like lion, tiger, etc. Then we have seen picture of different wild animals. After that, I had told you that animals live on land, tree, and in water. They can live anywhere. Then we have seen that animals, they can eat plants, some eat other animals, and some animals they eat dead animals. All these things we have seen in the lesson. Now, after this, we are going to solve the worksheet. Means we are going to solve the question bank. That is the new thing that we are going to do in the lesson. So please, if you are not ready with your notebook and pencils, please be ready. Take out your notebook and pencil eraser. So heading you have to give chapter 4, wild animals, and in the heading you will write question bank. Question bank means extra practice questions which are there from the same lesson, wild animals. We have understood the lesson, we have learnt the notes of the lesson which you might have already written in the fair book, and today we are solving the extra question. So this question bank you will write in rough book. You need not write this in fair book. So please write in rough book, and you have to write only the answers where I tell you to write. You will not write each and everything, but you will write only the points which I tell you to note down. So let us begin. The first question is, underline the incorrect word and write the correct word in the given space. We have to read this sentence. We have to find out which word is incorrect, means which is the wrong word. So that wrong word we have to underline, and instead of that, the correct word we have to write in this blank. So you will write the correct word, you will write only the answer in your notebook. So give number 1. This is number 1. Now let us read the first one. It is given, wild animals live in rooms. Again, wild animals live in rooms. So there is something wrong. It is wrong. Wild animals, they do not live in rooms. Do they live in rooms? No. Wild animals like lion, tiger, they live in forest. So the correct answer is forest. Let us write the spelling of forest. What is the spelling? Forest. Forest. Where do the wild animals live? They live in forest. So see, you have to write this answer, Forest, forest. I hope you have written the first answer in your notebook. This is the wrong word. See, I have underlined the wrong word. Instead of rooms, it should be forest. Number 2. Give number 2 in your notebook. A picnic is a crocodile's house. Is it correct? A picnic is crocodile's house. It is wrong. Picnic is not the crocodile's house. Where does the crocodile live? Can you see over here what is given over here? A picnic, this is not a picnic. Crocodiles live in this water. So the house, you can say the crocodile's house is lake. This water body, the small area of water is called lake. So the wrong word is picnic. Crocodile does not live in picnic. It lives in the lake. So what is the spelling? Lake. Lake. Please write down in your notebook Lake. Lake. A lake is a crocodile's house. Then you have to give number 3 in your notebook. Give number 3 and read the question. Food of a lion is milk. Is it correct? Does lion need milk? Does it eat milk? No, lion does not need milk. Then what is the food of the lion? Do you know? The food of the lion is flesh. Flesh means they kill the animals and they eat their body. That is, they eat their flesh. So let us write the correct word, Flesh. What do they eat? They eat the flesh of the dead animals, their body, their muscles, bones, etc. So write down this in your notebook, Flesh. A food of the lion is flesh. They eat the flesh of the animals. They kill the animals and they eat their flesh. So that is the answer. That is answer number 3. I hope you have written. Then number 4. Write down number 4 in your notebook. We should kill wild animals. Is it correct? These are all wild animals like elephant, lion, monkey, etc. Should we kill these wild animals? Kill means should we destroy them? No, we should not kill them. This is the wrong word. We should protect them. We should not hurt them. So what is the spelling of protect? Protect. Protect means we should give them shelter, we should give them food, water, whatever they need. So we should protect wild animals. We should not kill them. They are also living beings like human beings. So the correct word is protect. You have to write this answer in your notebook, number 4. So the sentence will be like, we should protect wild animals. That is the correct sentence. Now let us read number 5. Write down number 5. Owl is the tallest animal in the world. Have you seen owl? Yes. Is it the tallest animal in the world? No, owl is not the tallest animal. It is a bird and it is not the tallest. So the image of the tallest animal is already there on your screen. I know you already know the name of this animal and you have already written the name in your notebook. What is the name? This is a giraffe. So let us write the spelling, Giraffe. Giraffe. The tallest animal in the world is giraffe. It is not owl. Owl is the wrong word. We have to underline the wrong word. See, I have underlined the wrong word for you, owl. Instead of this wrong word, the correct word is giraffe, and the sentence will be like, Giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. This is number 5. I hope you have written number 5 in your notebooks. Next, give one word. So next heading you will give in your notebook, you will only write in short GOW. That is the short form for give one word. Please write down the next heading in your notebook, GOW. In that, write down number 1. What is number 1? Snakes and moles live in dash. So can you see this image? Where do the snakes and moles live? These animals, you might have seen snakes coming out from the ground, and you might have seen moles coming out from this place. So what is this place called? Can you see this place in the ground? Inside the ground, the snakes and moles live. So this is called a hole. What is the spelling of hole? What is the spelling? Let us write H-O-L-E. H-O-L-E, hole. Please write down answer number 1 in your notebook. H-O-L-E, hole. This is a hole in the ground where snakes and moles live. You can also call that hole is the home for snakes and moles. You might have seen many animals coming out from the hole. They live inside and this is their home. Then number 2. Write down number 2. An animal or bird that is eaten by other animals. So see this animal which is dead, right? And this other bird or other animal is eating this dead bird or dead animal. So what is that called? It is a dead animal, or we can also call this dead animal. It is a flesh of dead animal. Flesh means the body of the animal which has died. So it is called F-L-E-S-H, flesh. It is called the flesh of the animal, means the dead body. The dead animal is called the flesh. And this bird or any other animal will eat the flesh of this dead animal. So I hope you have written answer number 2 in your notebooks. Number 3. Number 3 is given a bird that eats fish. Now this we have done before. Which is that bird which is eating fish? This bird is kingfisher. What is the spelling of kingfisher? K-I-N-G, king, F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. Kingfisher likes to eat fish because it is the favorite food of that bird. So I hope you have written this answer number 3 in your notebook. A bird that eats fish is a kingfisher. Then next, number 4. Let us see what is given in number 4. Something that no longer exists. No longer exist means what? The animals which you cannot see now in the forest, anywhere in the jungle. There are some animals which we cannot see, like dinosaurs. Dinosaurs were there many years back, but now we cannot see any dinosaurs in the forest. So that animals which we cannot see in the forest are called endangered animals. Endangered. Write down the spelling E-N-D-A-N-G-E-R-E-D. Endangered. They are called endangered species or endangered animals. What is the meaning of this word? Endangered means the animals which no longer exist. As I said, dinosaurs were there many years back, but now we cannot see any dinosaurs. Can we? No. So that are called endangered. They are no more seen in the forest. So we have to take care of all these wild animals so that they are not endangered. They are always safe in the forest. So write down this answer number 4, endangered. Something that no longer exists. Then next, you have to write the heading question answers. Answer the following. Question answers. Here you will not write the answers. Here you will only understand. What is given? The first one. Which animals are called wild animals? Give 2 examples. Means what is wild animal. What are wild animals? And we have to write two examples. So in this question, we have to write what are wild animals, the definition, and we have to write the names of any two wild animals. Let us read. See the answer. Animals that live in forests are called wild animals. So we know that the animals who are there in the forest are wild animals like lion, tiger. These are the two examples of wild animals. You can write your own examples like cheetah, elephant, snake, etc. These are all wild animals. So where do the wild animals live? What is the definition? Animals that live in forests are called wild animals. This is the answer. And two examples I have given over here, lion and tiger. Then question number 2, name 3 different eating habits of animals. We have to give the names of 3 eating habits. How do the animals eat? Their eating style. So we have to name 3 different eating habits of animals. Which are the 3 different eating habits? See, first one, animals which eat only the plants. Some animals eat only plants. Which are that animals? Giraffe and elephant. They eat only plants. That is the first habit. Second habit, animals which swallow food. They eat food, they swallow food. So which are that animals that directly they swallow the food inside their stomach? That is snake, kingfisher. These two animals swallow the food. Then third eating habit, animals which thrive on flesh of dead animals. Means some animals eat the flesh of dead animals. Which are that animals? Vulture, jackal. These two animals, they eat flesh of dead animals. So these are the 3 eating habits, 3 different eating styles. First is only plants, eating only plants. Second is swallowing the food. Third is eating the flesh of dead animals. So our next question is, what are endangered animals? Give 2 examples. So now we have to explain what are endangered animals. We have to explain the meaning of this word, and then we have to write 2 examples for endangered animals. Let us see the answer. Animals that no longer exist is called endangered animals. Means animals that are no longer there. They no longer exist in the world. They are not found anywhere. That animals are called endangered animals. Means you cannot see that animals anywhere in the forest. What are the examples? Black rhino and sea turtles. You might not have seen these animals. You can just search it. Black rhino and sea turtles are the 2 animals which are not found anymore. They are endangered animals. Means so many years back these 2 were found. Now we cannot see black rhino and sea turtles, so they no longer exist. They are endangered animals. So that is the meaning of endangered animals. Animals that no longer exist are called endangered animals. Next, how do some animals help in keeping the jungle clean? Means some animals help us. They keep the jungle clean. How can they keep the jungle clean? How do animals clean the jungle? Let us read the answer. Animals such as vultures, jackals and hyenas, they eat the flesh of dead animals. In this way they help to keep our earth clean. See, there are some animals like vultures, jackals and hyenas. They eat the flesh of dead animals. When the animals die, their flesh is lying on the ground. So it creates dirt on the ground. So these animals like vultures, jackals, hyenas, they eat the dead bodies of the animals, they eat their flesh, and so they keep our earth clean. In this way they keep our earth very clean because they eat the dead animal's body. This is how they clean our earth. Next, fill in the blanks with correct letters. We have to read the sentence and fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the missing alphabets. So let us start doing it. P, then there are 4 dash over here. What is given? Dash is found in very few numbers and should be protected. Means this is the name of an animal which you can see very less in jungle. It is, the number has decreased and we have to protect that animal so that animal does not become endangered, so that it does not vanish. So which is that animal? It starts with P and it is a 5-letter word. Can you guess the name of this animal? It is panda. What is the spelling? What is the spelling of panda? P-A-N-D-A. Panda. That is the animal which we have to protect because it is very less in number. It may become endangered any time. So here the first alphabet is P. I have written. Then the rest will be A and D-A. Panda. This is endangered animal, means it might extinct very soon if we do not protect. We have to protect this animal. Next, I hope you have written number 1, answer number 1 in your notebook, that is panda. Please write answer number 1. Heading is FB, means fill in the blanks. Then write down number 2 in your notebook. What is the second one? Dash swallows its prey. Dash swallows its prey. Then this animal is an animal which directly takes the prey in the stomach. It directly swallows it. It does not chew. It does not bite. It directly swallows its prey. So we already know. We know the name of this animal very well. It starts with S and again it is a 5-letter word. This is a snake. So let us write the spelling S-N-A-K-E. Snake. So this, the answer over here, I have written the answer. It is a snake. The first alphabet is S, which I have written. Then the rest 4 are N-A-K-E. Snake swallows its prey. The snake bite is also very harmful. It can kill if the snake is poisonous. Then write down number 3 in your notebook. What is number 3? Dash lives on land. Now we have to write the name of the animal that lives on land. So we already know this black and white color spots are there, black and white color strips are there on its body. The name starts with Z. There are not very more animals where the name starts with Z. There are very few animals. So this animal is zebra. It lives on land. What is the spelling of zebra? Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. The name of this animal is zebra. See, first alphabet is Z, then E-B-R-A. Zebra is the animal that lives on land. So I hope you have written answer number 3 in your notebook, that is zebra. Then number 4. Can you identify this animal? A very huge animal, very dangerous one. The name starts with R and it is a very big spelling. But there is also a short name for this animal. Dash eats only plants. So this animal eat only plants, nothing else. This is rhino, or you can say rhinoceros. Let us write the spelling. Write along with me. R-H-I-N-O, rhino, C-E-R-O-S, rhinoceros. So I have written the answer over here. You can copy the answer in your book. This is the spelling. Rhinoceros eat only the plants. This is the animal that eats plants. Then next. So next one, the topic is match the following. Let us play this game. So what heading you will give? MF, match the following. So we have to read and we have to match the following. Let us start. Lion. So lion, where does the lion live? Lion lives in a den. So we have to match lion with den because that is the home of the lion. Lion lives in a den. Then bird. Where does a bird live? Bird lives in the nest. So we have to match that with nest. Bird lives in the nest. Then third one, snake. Where does the snake live? We have already seen in the previous part of the video. Snake lives in a hole in the ground. So we have to match that with hole because snake lives in a hole. Then next, giraffe. What does giraffe eat? Giraffe eats only plants. So we have to match giraffe with eat plants only. Giraffe only eats plants. Then last one is jackal. Jackal helps in cleaning the jungle. How does it help in cleaning the jungle? Jackal helps in cleaning the jungle because jackal eats the flesh of the dead animals, and that is how it cleans the jungle. That's why jackal helps in cleaning the jungle. Now here we have to write name the animals. First one is a plant eating animal. So these are the two plant eating animals. Which are the names? This is an elephant. This is a giraffe. These two are plant eating animals. Let us write the spellings. So as you can see, I have written ELEPHANT, elephant, GIRAFFE. These two animals are plant eating animals. Giraffe and elephant, they eat plants. Then number 2, what is given? A flesh eating animal. Animal that eats flesh. They eat the animals which are dead. They kill the animals and eat them. So which are the two animals? This is tiger, our national animal, and lion, that is the king of jungle. Let us write. So as you can see over here, I have written, please write down in your notebook, TIGER, tiger, LION, lion. Tiger and lion are the two flesh eating animals. They eat the animal's dead body, and that's why they are wild animals, the most dangerous wild animals in the forest. Next, so here what do we have to write? Here we have to write the animals that eat plants and animals. The animals that they eat plants also and they eat other animals also. Can you identify these two animals? So this is wild boar. You might have seen this in the street running around and eating the garbage. This is wild boar, and this is a bear. This is also a very dangerous animal. So let us write the spelling. I want you to write these two spelling in your notebook. WILD, wild, means very dangerous. Then BOAR, boar. This is a wild boar. It eats plants and other animals. Same way, what is the spelling? BEAR, bear. Bear also eats other animals and the plants. So let us revise from match the following. What have we done? We have matched the following. Where does the lion live? In the den. Birds live in the nest. Snakes live inside the hole. Giraffe eats plants only. And jackal helps in cleaning the jungle by eating the dead bodies of the animals, by eating their flesh. Then we have written a plant eating animal, elephant, giraffe. After that we have seen a flesh eating animal. We have written two names. Which are the two names? Tiger and lion. These are flesh eating animals. Then we have seen animals that eat plants and other animals. So wild boar, this is a new word for you, wild boar, and here is the image of bear. These animals eat plants and other animals. So in today's video, we have learned chapter 4 wild animals with the revision. We have solved the question bank, the extra questions for the better practice of the lesson, and we have finally completed the chapter. So please write this one time. Please watch this video twice also on the YouTube, and keep watching all the videos of all the subjects regularly. So goodbye. Have a nice day all of you. Take care. Keep your surroundings neat and clean, and be healthy and fine.